Lenovo has just demonstrated at Mobile World Congress the latest technology it has regarding transparent displays. In this case, it's called the Lenovo ThinkBook Transparent Display Laptop Concept. And in a nutshell, it's the first transparent micro-LED display of 17.3 inches. So it offers a very futuristic viewing experience. Completely borderless, and in this case the white content is the one that will have solid fill and the black content will have the fully transparent fill. Some time ago we saw a proposal from LG for transparent TVs whose priority was to maintain the design and good aesthetics of the architecture of your home. But in the case of laptops with transparent screens, I don't know if it will actually have some utility or just looks very futuristic. The keyboard also looks very futuristic and strange since it is completely tactile. Although remember that this is just a concept, so it is a technology demonstration. In this case, the screen offers good color saturation and contrast, as well as a brightness of 1000 nits. But with respect to viewing angles, it may not be the most advanced experience we've seen. Based on what you get to see, perhaps it could be targeted at designers or someone who wants to work with a real-life object merged with digital life through the transparent display, although when viewing the content from the back, it does seem to have a bit more reflections that ruin the viewing angle experience a bit more. So if that was a concern for you, maybe you could get to have some level of privacy while maintaining a transparent display by viewing the screen fully from the front. But this is a technology that is just being developed, and we will slowly be learning about more products that take advantage of this type of display. Personally, it seems to me an idea that is not going to be very widespread in the world of laptops, but only the future will prove us right or wrong. For the moment, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can let me know, and see you next time.